friend Olo. How do you do, friends? Good? How about our business? Good or not? Please, for me, 2 real, please. Yeah. So this is our food. Our friend, oh. They're making their food, oh. What is the name?
Chapati.
Chapati. Is this good for the health?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
What is the benefit?
Only 1 rupees.
No. What I mean to say, what is the benefit for our body? Stomach good and then
body and strong.
Body and
Yes.
oh,
Rice no strong. This one very strong body.
very nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Krishna. Name Krishna.
What?
Altaf Kalamata Krishna. Day of
Today is my day off.
Krishna will Krishna Sama.
Chris. Yeah. There. Other door.
What did you?
Yeah, he will go now. Finish. 6:30 now. This is my friend businessman. Oh. What can you say about your what they call that? Chapati? So, if you fix good and taste good, I will buy always, huh?
What is check? See. What is check?
Wow. No, not check. I will buy now.
Photo खिंचा दे यार तुमने
Yeah. This is not kubos, huh? Chapati, huh? What is the ingredients? What? Ingredients? Flour?
Yeah.
And also wheat?
Yeah.
Ito yung accommodation namin. Ito yung transport. Malawak-lawak din naman ang aming area dito. Yung bilya namin. Yun yung bilya namin. Oh. Mataas din naman. Oh. Meron din naman kaming ito yung store namin. Dito kami, may grocery din kami. Mini grocery sa loob. Ayos na. Daming tinda na, oh. Dami ng tinda, wala na kaming problema. Hindi na kami lalabas, oh. Ano?